Unique design LED streetlight from Mason. ORO series. Smooth back surface with IK08 easy cleaning tempered glass to avoid most potential damage of rain and dust to the optic. Fixture with adjustable spigot supports post-top and side entry installation. Optional patented clip design for 2 free opening electrical compartment for ORO large. Other sizes allow 2 free open and screw fasten. Special coated tempered glass combined with Mason-owned design lens and branded LED components to achieve high luminous efficiency. IP66 sealed lighting fixture with optional 10 kV or 20 kV surge protection device to deal with wild weather. Multiple options for optical lens, suitable for a variety of applications. Standard extension interface to meet the demands of intelligent lighting, like time dimming to improve energy saving and management efficiency. ORO family covering 20 watt to 280 watt with 5 housings. Mason has been concentrating on R&D and production of high-power lighting, with 300 R&D engineers and 1,500 workers. Specialized laboratory for high-quality control, like Witness Lab with TUV and UL. Perfect equipment and well-trained workers ensure both high production capacity and high quality. Mason, a professional provider of high-power lighting solutions. Mason, we believe in light.